As a YouTuber, every milestone for me is very, very important. I do not joke with it because months ago, it was not like this, you get. So, of recent, I celebrated my first 1,000 subscribers, and I am so grateful to God for that. And I want to use this medium to appreciate every one of you for supporting, for being part of my success story. I know I have not gotten to where I want to be, but I am no longer where I used to be. You get. So, guys, of recent, I went live on YouTube and I asked my audience, I asked them, I said, what do you think is the most difficult aspect of being a YouTuber? And I gave some options. I gave the option of getting subscribers. I gave the option of getting the 4,000 watch hours. I gave the option of getting views. You get. And I also gave the option of editing videos. I think I gave about 5 options that day, and the last one was getting ideas, like content ideas. What kind of videos am I going to put next after this one? Stuffs like that. And I told them to pick, like to choose anyone, and a lot of them choose getting subscribers as the most difficult aspect of being a YouTuber. You get, every one of us, our own way of thinking is different, our own mindset is different. You get, you can't expect somebody that is having problem with getting subscribers tell you that watch hour is the problem, and you can't expect somebody that is having problem with getting the watch hour to tell you that subscriber is the problem. So we all have our own different ways, we all have our own different, I don't really know how to put it right now, but I believe you get what I'm trying to say. Now, I'll be speaking briefly on the most difficult aspect of being a YouTuber from my own perspective. You get, I'm not talking about other people now, I'm talking about my own perspective, because that day I listed about 5 options, and from those 5 options, I was able to pick one and say, yeah, you get. Starting YouTube has never been my plan. Like, I never thought it one day. Like, there are so many people now that wants to start YouTube, but they just have it in mind, but they have not started. There are people like that. For me, it was never like that. For me, I never thought of the fact that one day I'll be doing YouTube. I never thought of it, but today, here I am, and I'm so glad I was able to start. You get. So getting content idea is not difficult for me, because no man, what is that thing you want to talk about that somebody in YouTube has not talked about it? What is that particular thing? Tell me. You get. So a lot of people are in your niche. There are people that are doing similar content like you. All you need to do is to go to their channel and watch their videos, and then I am not saying you should copy them word for word or copy everything. No, you have to be creative. That's why you are a content creator. You get. So getting content idea has not been difficult. Sometimes I just sit and I get this idea, I get it and I write it down, then I talk about it. It doesn't mean that somebody has not talked about it before. It happens like that. So there are different ways you can get content idea. And getting subscribers was a bit difficult for me during the early stage of my content creation journey. You get, because when I started, 1,000 subscribers was like impossible. Like, I was just asking myself, how is this going to be possible? 1,000 people, like 1,000 people is a lot. You get, but today is a thing of the past. You get. So one advice I will keep saying, and I will continue saying it over and over again, is this: when you start a YouTube channel, remove your mind from subscribers. Subscribers will definitely come. Subscribers will definitely come. But what actually matters most is the watch hour. How long are people watching your videos? Do people enjoy your videos? Do people ask for more? Are people always anticipating your videos? I have seen some content creators on this YouTube, and they leave their YouTube channel for like 3 months, 2 months, and when they come back, they post their video. You will start seeing comment, oh, you left us here for a long time, please don't go again. Oh, make sure you are here, make sure you are active. You get. So do you have returning viewers, people that are always waiting for your next videos? People that are always waiting for your next video, do you have those kind of people? That is the question you should be asking yourself, because many a time we focus too much on subscribers. Subscriber is not it might look difficult, but actually in the real sense it's not difficult, because somebody can just see your video, like the video, and then subscribe, and they go. Tomorrow you post, and that same person will see your video, the person will swipe. Do you understand? So 1,000 subscribers does not equal to 1,000 views. You understand? And 500 subscribers does not equal to 500 views. That is one thing about social media. You get, your focus should be how long are people watching my video, because the longer they watch it, it shows that they have interest in it. I don't know if you get. So the next thing I'll be talking about is editing. Some people choose editing that day, and they told me that editing videos is very stressful for them. Well, for me, maybe it's because I find fun. I enjoy doing it when editing, so I don't really find difficulty in it. I just create time and do my editing. Then for the which other one did I talk about? Did I ask them the other day? The one that I feel like is the most difficult aspect of being a YouTuber is getting views. Getting views. That is what I think. You get, sometimes you film a video, it's not like the camera quality is not okay. It's okay. Your video is clear. People can see you. You title the video well. You do your normal. In fact, you before you even title that video, you check other people's page, channel to see the kind of title they use. You get your description. You just try and use the good hashtag. You do all the necessary things you are supposed to do. Good thumbnail and everything. You post the video, boom. 5 days, 50 views. 10 days, 80 views. 1 month, 150 views. You get, so, and you are trying to meet a target of 4,000 watch hour. Hope you understand what I'm saying. So getting the views is not really easy. It's not easy getting people to watch your videos. To me, that is the most difficult aspect of being a YouTuber. I know things will change, things will definitely change. Getting views has been the most difficult aspect of being a YouTuber for me, because sometimes I post a video and I feel like that video is going to do well, and at the end of the day the video is just there. But I still thank God for everything. I thank God for everything, because I know that all these are stepping stones. You get, these are stories that I will keep sharing and sharing, using it to motivate people, telling people that when I started my YouTube channel, see what I went through. You get, so I just want to use this medium to encourage every YouTuber out there, whether you are a new YouTuber or you've been doing YouTube for over 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and you are not seeing the results, you feel like quitting. I just want to use this medium to tell you not to quit. Not to quit. Keep doing it, because you don't even know how close you are to that milestone. You don't know. Like I always say, just one video can change the life of your channel. Don't lose hope. Keep posting. Keep posting. Keep doing all that you know how to do. Keep learning, and one day you will be so glad that you did not give up. Yeah guys, that is it. I hit my 1K subscribers. Up next, we are going to be hitting our 4,000 watch hours very soon. Very soon, and I know that will be possible with God on my side. Thank you guys for being there. Thank you. I can't start mentioning names, you get, but I just want to appreciate you all, and I want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.